Need a full YouTube script but don't feel like writing one from scratch? Let me show you how I created a full video script in under 1 minute using just the free plan of a tool called Rytr AI, with no brainstorming, no writing block, no wasted time. Let's jump in. Go to rytr.me and click Start Writing. You don't need a credit card or fancy setup, just sign in and you're in. On the left, you'll see a list of use cases. Scroll down and pick Video Idea and Script. Now, let's test it on a real YouTube topic. I'm using Top 5 AI Tools in 2025. Select your language and tone. I'm going with English and a convincing tone. Then click Write for me. Within seconds, Rytr gives you a full YouTube script draft. It starts with an attention-grabbing hook, then moves into a structured outline highlighting 5 key tools, with short descriptions for each. It even finishes with a clear call to action like, don't forget to subscribe or drop your favorite tool in the comments, with no guesswork, no formatting issues. It's ready for voiceover or on-camera delivery right away. And if you don't like the first version, just hit Write for me again and get a new one instantly. You can also edit, expand, or reword any part using Rytr's built-in tools. So if you're a content creator, marketer, or even just starting a channel, Rytr's free plan is a quick way to get ideas flowing and videos scripted fast. Try it with your next video topic and see how much time you save. This is AIChief, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tools that do the work for you.